Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Oh yeah, my Google Maps sent me the wrong way. And now I was in a mountain road, but I'm like 100 meters in the mountain, but I'm too scared to ride my bike to this main road.
Then where you go?
Yeah, I have to go to this road.
Yeah.
Ooh. But wait, one sec.
Where you go?
Yeah, so my question is, can you help
Yes,
with my bike? But I'm too scared.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
I'm not riding bike.
Oh, you're not a rider?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe I can ride, but can you come with me? Because if I fall, to help me pull the bag up. Like if I drop the bike, it's too heavy for me.
You can go slowly also, no problem.
Yeah, but it's steep. No. To go now? Or wait for rain?
Wait for rain.
Okay, wait for rain. Okay. Can you hold this to film? If I fall, then I at least have it on camera. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous.
Don't nervous.
No nervous.
Be steady. Don't go. Don't sit there. We have to.
Oh, it's better, you think?
Yes.
Okay.
You take steering from me backside.
But I think first part I can slowly, because this is not so difficult.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Slowly, ma. Okay, go. Okay. You can.
I have to go left, I think.
Yes. Go.
It's a bit muddy.
Oh wait, ma.
It's like slipping.
Yeah. Wait.
Should I get off?
Wait, ma. Drop off, ma.
Oh, it's too heavy.
You can go there, we also okay, huh?
Yes. Oh yeah, that's better.
Oh, you can go there.
Yeah. Oops. Oops. It's okay. Yeah, I'm fine. Ooh. Okay.
One. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Can I push more to the right?
To the right.
Yeah.
Like this.
Oh yeah. Oh my. Okay.
Okay. Slowly, ma.
Oh, wow. Thank you, brother. Oh, woo. You saved me.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, I'm shaking. Oh,
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You also.
Oh, okay. That was crazy.
Thank you, ma.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Safe journey, ma.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks again. Okay, have a good evening.
You too. Don't go off-road.
Oh, I will not go off-road anymore.